In today's class, we're going to be learning how to use the extrude tool. So let's dive straight into it. Basically, the extrude tool requires you to have two profiles. So I'm going to teach you how to use the profile to do an extrusion. Then from there, we'll move on to how to use two or more profiles to create something using the extrude tool. So first of all, go to my front viewport. We'll just draw a circle. I mean my curves, not polygon curves. I'll just draw a circle like so. Bring it down and come here. So let's say I want to create something like, should I say cylinder or something. And I'll just go to my surfaces, use my extrude here, click here. Of course, let's reset. But if you want to use one profile for something like this, you click distance. This will pop up, and this is telling you how long or the length of the extrusion you want to create. So I'll give it 5 and I'll click apply. Guess what? I have this here. Okay, so let's see another application of it. I can come to my front viewport and draw something like this. Okay. Just come here and select it. Okay, go to my, you can double click. Okay, let's just go to surfaces. We are going to extrude. As usual, let me make this just 3 this time. Click apply and I have a loft. And as usual, I could just click this W, move this aside and tweak this a bit. Okay, you get the point, right? Tweak it depending on what I want. Okay, sorry. So I held my, so I wanted this to snap to this. I held my C and snaps, and so I'm using the curves, right, to control this basically. So that is that for extrude. So let's see how we can use two or more profiles to create the extrude effect. Alright, so to do this, I will come to my side view and draw a cycle like this. Okay, so I have this in my viewport here. What I will do is I would, okay, it's here, right? I'm going to draw with my pencil tool. Just draw something freehand, something free, like this, and maybe I'll stop there. Hit my W. I would, okay, so I would move this to the side. Okay, so I'll just move this forward a bit. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to do. If you want to use this tool, first of all, let me go to my surfaces, extrude, click this. Make sure I'll reset this. Make sure your settings is like this. Don't use distance because this will come up. Use tube. So the way this works is that I want this to extrude through this, as you can see. Or you could say, I want to run this profile along this path. So this is the path, and then this is the profile. So you select it in that order. I'll select the profile, I'll select the path. And once I've selected this, come here and click apply. I'll be having something like this. Of course, don't worry. I can always edit this using my I can always edit how this object looks using the curves. So first of all, come to my attribute editor and maybe uncheck this. Okay, when I'm done, the next thing I'll do is, okay, just for clarity, whenever you do something like this, just move your 3D object away so that you could settle down on your curves, profiles. I'll hit my R and I will make this quite small. and here I'm having something great. So next thing I'll do is I can begin to play around with my vertex. If this is not what I want, if I'm not satisfied, okay, I could just begin to tweak this like so. If I want something that, okay, so it's just there. It's another way of modeling and fine-tuning your work thanks to the use of coarse modeling. Okay, so that is that for using for modeling using extrude. So when I'm done, okay, I can delete this if this is what I want. Okay, so hope you got value for this course or for this class. See you in the next class where we'll look at other options here: planar, revolve, birail, and so on and so forth, detach, and so on and so forth. So see you in the next class. Please remember to subscribe because this is the only way you can support us. Thank you. All right, bye.